Hey. Oh. What's wrong? You want a cracker? Here. You want a cracker? There. Eat the crackers. Can you eat a cracker? Oh, you are so much better at that than you used to be, Mommy. Yes, you are. Oh, pace yourself. Pace yourself, girl. It's one thing your mommy never learned. What about you? Yours are all stuck to your hand. See, look. Do your hand. And who's this down here? Riley. Gracie. Look at those cute shoes. Oh my goodness. Sit, sit. You dropped them a bit, honey. Let me help you. Sit. Can you do it? Can you say hi? Avery, you have a cracker on your chin. It's right here. Are you having trouble, Mama? Oh, here, I'll let you figure it out. You figure it out. Did you get it? I think you got it. Mama. No, you can't have the camera. No, you can't. You can't have it. Boo. 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 Can you do your Betty Rubble laugh for Mommy? Uh-oh, let's see what's going on with you. What's wrong, Whitey Winerson?